Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 11th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Like the whole market, Palantir is down 61 cents, 6% even at closed at 956. Let's look at what we have here. I don't like seeing this. I don't like seeing this because this was a nice run since June 16th. But now we seem to be caving back lower than this downward resistance right here. Yeah, I'm going to check that very much. So we closed outside of this downward resistance for 2 days, but now we are back inside it. But we are just right smack on this support. I'm telling you, there are no random moves in the market. So we are right smack on the support here. So the stock needs to start to make a decision very soon. Is it going to respect this support right here? Is it going to respect this resistance right here? We are going to have an answer, I assume, tomorrow. If we have a very short day tomorrow, the candle might fit between these two lines. If not, it's going to break one of the two. We still have a stochastic, not too bad. We'll have to see. Going on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, basically what happens is that the first hour of the day, everything went down, then found some stability right here. But look at here, we are making lower highs and lower highs. Stochastic is super low on the 1 hour chart. So maybe we are going to keep going lower. I don't know. But if we are going to go a little bit lower, that would be a nice short opportunity because we lost stochastic, so we should be in short mode, but we still need to wait for a break of support. We have the break of this support right here. We need to have a break of this horizontal support. And if we have a 1 hour candle that closes below this 955 support, then that's a nice opportunity to short for a little while. This is for the short-term traders. In terms of the more long-term investors on the daily chart, this is just going up and down, but we are still doing pretty good. We are still above 894. We are still in this upward channel. We are even still in this steeper support. We have a good stochastic. One candle does not make a trend. So right now, we are still in this uptrend. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.